Etikromasi. Ana Akufo-Addo lanche Danny Yenhwe first video bia Akufo-Addo top police cars every Zondatek. Zondatek a Chinese company be Okroma. Ana Akufo-Addo aban ekoto police cars me the che police for.
Exactly.
Tieni o 2024 and ye che. But they were a year cars in this Zondatek. Omo yadi friend say. One yard. So these are the cars was on that yard. And I mean no say. Cars was supposed to be for police for.
Precisely.
Aban you buy you know ye ni free so na no. And then if I post no social media post to be exactly. So these are cars as on that yard and this year. Akufo-Addo buying a toy and to prove to you no, there is a guy who coach us a video we are in 2024 that is around December. Or post the yes a cars and you go waste in the idea. Now you need free so no one. Mutaka Mubarak, Interior Minister. Wako penti cars you home. Say a 24-hour economy security car. And what's the police view? That if a story of a year, Mutaka. Mutaka saw the cars and I saw the police and Gina work purchase. Cars I don't need to police did that. 2024 did that. Mutaka buy why the same thing. Now me no say. IGP. Yes, we call Poma was a dear meeting. Now him say adia no more accuse a year dampare off. Say we promoting in California there. Omokoyi first a year Poma meeting police debe management board meeting when him say me no ka say first na IGP ni call ya we here say ne California ho nyina no wo mo promotion so so same I mean eti eye kiona taban na apese ohunu kiona taban a owura gusita no enkola no amunim gusita no emre bi atwam ne aka gusita no a he was the man and the politics one dey be compare no na ye kase gusita no wan this mu a he had gravitas and then kofo ebrege so JJ Rollins e be kono kura no ono gusita no na ba ba dia yi ni ade ana ye ko wi akiri na wo ten ho ko form reform a party mo be kai ye 2000 election no ono ko te reform na em say wi bi o de wi na ye na yi ni ade me kai ni nyina ana gusita no anye ye ni ade o free mu ansa na obeda samo mu nyina be te mo na Mama ba ye no ja wode gusita no abaso no na eme ye secretariat no womo 24-hour economy and was it 24-hour economy journey will be a very difficult one. Guzi wo kanu kure ne no kure nti was it will be a very difficult one na ye hunu say be a very difficult one
in
a long way.
Akosia media me hunu yi evisa eye toro na no mu twa kire manfo no odwene ho a won tia se
exactly
24-hour economy is a demand driven economy.
Precisely
it would ye enye obi ne be ka kire say airport no say 24 hours because nkrofo to kwan every day okosi airport wo sunwane na aka say enye 24 hour ebo 8 pm kwan ni do say na free sunwane ebo it automatically there will not be 24-hour economy because there is no demand there. It took us a 24-hour economy. And there is going to be a transport system, STC, ever running from Sankregua to Accra, 24 hours. About 12 o'clock, don't say any phrase Sankregua, so demand driven. But yana manfoni diatem. It is saying acquire Frefrekobo, acquire Matramaque, was when ye be a port nano near there, and Yanukre. So Kioneta by still Gusitano say be a difficult one pa be a day. The journey will be a difficult one. Gusi say John washada wo ye near there no adwen say wo free wa obesa be contest bi. It was strategically. What in the close contenders no. Or more betimi aye we no. Baby o do makoto nyina ye trap. It will for be say Gusitano anko be ye yi no a wasumi ne fidie. No na to 24 hour no. 24-hour economy so ya anwene ho. E ka bi keke. Eti wo no ko ne ko feli. Na manfo ne hunu so wonye leader.
Precisely.
O wi ye no de haru na akoto ye education na no. If you say education, tina and me no kase teacher training for did once a day. Me no kase a year like 6 years. If you say haru na drusu, president ni bi It was the to baby obe faili. She dey make yi. Edi Prz-Mahama was very strategic.
Precisely.
One more betimi a contest say ne candidate to person de ne be say mu no. Wo do mo nyina akoto positions trap no asset o. So Gusita no say was trap ama no. So say Gusi no Keda for no. The top echelons of the NDC no. Omo lover boy. So omo pe the true NDC a. Gusita no na true NDC. Na onim se ebia wo kwa se de ne ho si efe na wo personality ni ade no ahwe ya obetiki over it yes yes setting it up ema Gusi feli enu nie akosia Gusita no kionet aban o say ni favorite be ya Yohani favorite. Winim Yohani favorite.
Oh, enemy.
O twitwam for ni.
Market for this year the origin shine ko.
Do market for naka. Omo say hwan ya?
Omo say Debra.
Bibi Debra.
Do me free.
It obo we projection. No adi mi we mo. Politics. You must be strategic and you must be smart. It Gusita no the do ye ni asset trap na ma why. Enko si hwe. It's a 24-hour economy no. And you be na ka kire Reggie Rackstone say onye 24-hour watch. If say ni pato night clubs no wa around ho. Satam no be office ni ho awan. It anopa ye to no. And you night club no so cost so be watch am. So you don't need anybody say ye 24-hour ye watching. Aha. Ediwe ya tro. Nigeria ay cathedral. Kionet aban yin so omo di cathedral na tem. And the minister of a local government, chieftaincy and religious affairs. Ora Ahmed. What the Sambia tudwa. Yani famekona yenti yira. Why yenti no?
We demonize it to the point to say even if there's something proper in it you can't say it. And the starting on the National Cathedral, we demonize it to the point to say, even if there's something proper in it, you can't say it. And the starting was also problematic. So even certain things outrun others. Inti ama se wa hwi na wo kan hu nsema I will say you create problem for yourself. Inti yema audit fundings no emra na me ne o engagement.
So Danny, hold on. Mira Ahmed, local government minister. Muntie de walk ani. O say National Cathedral no. We demonized it. Wow. So ojitum say omu demonize it. Na akwasinsia a wo ye Adum FM, Adum TV morning shows. Obebusa ni nyansa question. Say wo National Cathedral no. Wo man no hia. Me ametie yi. Me position is say wo man no hia National Cathedral. A waste of resources. It is what China Yamame Akwenya. Some may minister. Near said the National Cathedral Beshemensa. No one said Nipan was set a trap na mame. To medu was senako. Now for Yentino, Yenti. Was this your question Yenti?
Na ya transit into ye then. Ebe he fana bibi ko ye, he fana bibi to chima. So one yes na me so National Cathedral. I can see
on a personal view.
On a personal, if I had my own money, I can build a National Cathedral for the states. Let me tell you, me sitting here, you know I'm
yeah. Was it or one sika? Obesi National Cathedral, I'm a state, you know.
Okay.
Tonight is a good father, the money be Kionet for you. Or no one is sika dia. Obesi National Cathedral, but at the same time, they demonize the National Cathedral. NDC for you. And then the National Cathedral no Ora Ahmed so onu ani sika ko besi bia che o man no. And they say one sika ye be fa free he. Enya aban no am. It says Ora Ahmed so onu ani sika. An ko besi National Cathedral mo o man no. It say one sika be fa free he.
Expose him.
Mon kan kore.
Your
mama me mon kan kore. Now, I say, what the goodwill of the people, so people are still not seeing through what is happening. Me, I don't have a problem. And I reason beyond what you people see. So, the matemo, it won't change anything. I will continue to say the things that I see from where I sit. And I'm not here to praise anyone. I'm not here to sing anyone. I am not paid to do that. I am not anybody's PR. And I know someone is better to you will see the truth.
Precisely.
It's a kionet tabai, Danny for Mutunche. Na afi yen shadie. And then exactly a year 43 years. A judge for the woman them. Justice a year Fred Poku Sakodie. Justice a year Kojo Eje Japan. A year MPP Kwabene Japan. Ne papa. Ene oba tanya na akwala tue ne nufu ano. Where Justice Frederick Poku Sakodie. Agozia. Ene Justice Cecilia Krantia do. Oba tanya wo. Akwala tue ne nufu ano. JJ Rollins me kwache no kokun wo mo. There was one major year Samakwa. No ye Gehok. Gehok ye ne yesi eche COVID jumani ade. No ye Gehok HR manager. Na amatekwe no ye adwuma Gehok. Ana samatekwe si apamona free Gehok. Eti JJ Rollins revolution ne ba ye no. Wonim so mo kwache major Samakwa kan ho kokun wo mo. Papa 43 years today. It will call a year a Supreme Court in any morning. Yede a year or more a statue was you. And the actual matters of a year rule of law.
Exactly.
A gentia. If it's a JJ Rollins say, or the Asamko court now we're default. It is what default dear. Judges say Nikwa Kokuomono. Kaya de Kokokuomo keys. Nana couldn't do Ajima Rollins. The dining hall, the dining table, the center table so, and keys in the go. And Yamana Mecca, SIB report, Yamana Mecca, and I'm your ready SIB report. Na yankoso anka kai mo and emeno ka say a soldier for mo call bondasi training camp or mo frɛ baby cook house okay when him say besi ne sa baby ayekun judges ne ho ntimi fu if we say omo kun omo ewie ye do omo kokko twa bi nan Frederick Poku Sakodi twa bi nan na ironically Chief Justice here omo pamuni o kan bibi na no o se ne wofa tieni o any Poku Sakodi na time omo ba chi na frifie no na owo ho tienie Chief Justice no ho now Chief Justice asaka bibi say there is a place our mo hodi a yes ade na a committee de ben no e wo a year adu lodge e bre omo kokun judges no adu lodge na e Captain Kojo Chikata from reliable sources e hia nkrofo no mo planning baby omo the Chief Justice yi koyi so people are linking it say is it because omo kun Chief Justice no wofa so they believe that say omo the case is court e bia wonni momo so the ye ne wofa no that is the same thing ye no na tienio now see ya ho na say JJ Rollins say waba abamu or the revolution aba 1981 no the case is court omo the case ni ye womo fa case papa nko buga no a ye ni ma omo eti ya shuma me akwache judges miensa akokun omo anaju konkon ahye womo anya nsuo ne toya enya nsuo ne toya akiya hye womo abra ya nhunu omo achi 43 years ne de 43 years now in the same vein almost MPP for wiesika MPP for abokro no me hu ye nka ukona say a criminal case dia you prove beyond reasonable doubt you know when it comes to criminal prosecutions the burden of proof is a year on the prosecutors say ube prove beyond reasonable doubt say nipa we no ampani ampa why ya eye bone if say your friend be a principles of legality say bone no ya amfa mra hu ho am prove beyond reasonable doubt nipa bebrebe use mra no as the personal vendetta kenie NDC for buy no almost MPP for wieska it is a court e won nye here see court enya buga empirical evidence then you are able to match that empirical evidence with the law now when him so mon survive it the SCA say you come judges na send a shock to the judicial and omo year 43 years ago kwabena Japan now these are SCA judges no omo finra ni 43 years ago the judges are JJ Rollins are buying chi womu because for the case court no.
Very sad.
Precisely. And the same thing is happening today. And voices of conscience are quiet.
Exactly. So
and I mean no say. Ebia we dey nye true. And ye giant. And yes see judges no. And me imagine say asem we nka me very quiet on it.
Exactly.
So ka kura manfo ne ntiase. The judges na mo tena se. Ama Prz-Mahama. Aye de oye sa chief justice we no. Me chief justice wanyame maame. Wanyame papa. Ye na dia enka hwe. Ya mane tena so enka hwe.
Exactly.
But from a history ayeba no. Voices of conscience cannot sit down for people to do what they are doing. For Prz-Mahama to do what they are doing. You know, voices of conscience in this country, from where we are coming from, and they say, "Yo, JJ Rollins by 81." Not all with the goodwill of the people. 31st December 1981. No, the goodwill of the people. It's the 30th June. 30th June. 6 months into an administration. The same way as Prz-Mahama, 6 months into an administration. All your chief justice in the oil. Because there's a grand scheme and there's an agenda.
Precisely.
Said all institutions of state here. Omo betimi asori atia Prz-Mahama ade opeso oye no eso mo bo mo tugu. But voices of conscience cannot allow this to happen.
So
mo nyina mo okromu a the woman is crying, and I like the courage of the woman. She said, I won't resign. I want the records to show I fought. I know so mo be me, but I want the records to show that I fought.
Right.
And Justice Bafwani respectfully say, Martin Numwela Kasimbi, or say they came for the Jews. I did not speak because I was not Jewish.
Precisely so.
They came for the trade unionists. I did not speak because I was not a trade unionist.
Exactly.
They came for the capitalists. I did not speak. Then finally, when they came for me, there was